Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to explore 5 exciting ways you can make money online just in time for the Christmas holidays. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, save for holiday shopping, or start a side hustle, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Become a social media influencer. Social media influencers have emerged as influential figures with significant followings on platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. They have become instrumental in brand promotion, as companies pay influencers to endorse and advertise their products or services to their extensive audience. This partnership allows influencers to earn substantial incomes through sponsorships and endorsements. Becoming an influencer involves several key steps. Firstly, it's crucial to identify a niche or area of interest that you are genuinely passionate about. This niche should align with your expertise, hobbies, or unique perspective. Choosing a niche helps you stand out among the vast array of content creators and allows you to connect with a specific target audience who share your interests. Creating engaging and high-quality content is vital to attract and retain your audience. The content you produce should be captivating, informative, entertaining, or inspiring, depending on your niche. Consistency is key, as regular posting establishes a reliable presence and helps build a loyal following. Utilize different formats such as photos, videos, stories, or live streams to keep your content diverse and engaging. Number 2. Freelance services. Freelancing has become an increasingly popular way to earn money online, offering individuals the flexibility to work on their own terms. To start freelancing, it's important to identify a niche or skill that sets you apart from the competition. Building a strong portfolio by creating samples of your work is crucial to showcase your abilities and attract potential clients. Offering your services to friends and family or volunteering for nonprofit organizations can help you gain experience and further enhance your portfolio. Establishing an online presence through a professional website or platforms like LinkedIn and Behance is essential for marketing yourself to a wider audience. Networking within your industry and utilizing various marketing techniques will help you connect with potential clients and increase your visibility. Providing high-quality work and excellent customer service will help you build a strong reputation and secure repeat business. While it may take time to establish yourself as a freelancer, dedication, self-discipline, and a focus on delivering exceptional work can lead to a successful freelance career. Number 3. Create and sell online courses. With the rise of e-learning and online education, creating and selling online courses has become one of the most popular ways to make money online. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable. You can create courses in anything from cooking and fitness to programming and business, and earn a steady income from your expertise. To create a successful online course, you need to identify a problem that people are facing in your niche and create a solution for it. You should also make sure that your course is well structured and engaging, with high-quality video and audio. Once you've created your course, you can promote it on social media, through email marketing, and by running ads. Number 4. Invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has experienced a tremendous surge in popularity over the past few years, capturing the attention of investors worldwide. The two most well-known cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, have played a significant role in this surge. Investing in cryptocurrency can indeed be a high-risk, high-reward endeavor, but it also offers the potential for substantial returns. When considering investing in cryptocurrency, it is crucial to conduct thorough research and comprehend the associated risks. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility, meaning their prices can fluctuate rapidly and unpredictably. This volatility can lead to substantial gains, but it can also result in significant losses. Therefore, it is vital to approach cryptocurrency investment with caution and a clear understanding of the potential risks involved. One fundamental aspect of investing in cryptocurrency is choosing reputable cryptocurrencies to invest in. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most well-established and widely recognized cryptocurrencies, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies available in the market. Number 5. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping has emerged as a popular business model that allows entrepreneurs to run an online store without the need to manage inventory. In this model, when a customer purchases a product from your store, you simply order it from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for warehousing and shipping, enabling you to focus on marketing and growing your business. To establish a successful dropshipping venture, it's crucial to identify a niche that combines high demand with low competition. Researching market trends and conducting thorough competitor analysis can help you pinpoint profitable niches. By targeting a specific audience or catering to a particular interest, you can differentiate yourself from the competition and attract customers. Offering high-quality products at competitive prices is essential to build trust and customer satisfaction. Identifying reliable suppliers is crucial for ensuring the quality and timely delivery of the products you sell. Platforms like AliExpress and Oberlo provide access to a wide range of suppliers who specialize in dropshipping. Carefully vetting suppliers, reading reviews, and ordering sample products can help you assess the quality and reliability of their products and services. Creating an online store is made easy through platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable themes, and integrated payment gateways to streamline the process of building your store. Utilize attractive product descriptions, appealing visuals, and intuitive navigation to create a seamless and engaging shopping experience for your customers. After you have created your portfolio, you can start looking for clients on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and others. These platforms connect freelancers with clients who need their services. You can create a profile on these platforms and start bidding on projects that match your skills and expertise. One of the benefits of freelancing is that you can work from anywhere as long as you have a stable internet connection. This means that you can work from home or while traveling, which gives you more flexibility and freedom. These 5 new and innovative ways to make money online in 2023 offer a range of opportunities for anyone looking to start a business or earn some extra income. Whether it's through mobile apps, creating content on video sharing platforms, freelance writing, creating and selling online courses, or offering virtual services, there is an opportunity out there for everyone. With the right skills, dedication, and strategy, you can turn these methods into a profitable online business. So, don't be afraid to explore and take advantage of these new methods. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this in the future. By taking advantage of these online opportunities, you can enjoy a more financially secure and enjoyable holiday season, making your Christmas merrier and brighter than ever before. So, get started today and reap the benefits of your hard work and innovation in the digital realm. Thanks for watching.